Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are watching BAJFINSERVE today. Today is Monday 17th October. Time is 2:52. Here BAJFINSERVE, we can see a little selling pressure. 231 selling against 187 buying. Today's low is 1674 and high is 1718. Let's go to the chart. Here in one day chart we can see BAJFINSERVE is getting a resistance near 710. It has a resistance area from 710 to 750. If it breaks 750 area, it will surely move up to 1800 or 1900, and then it will touch all-time high zone. But what if it doesn't do that? RSI is getting strengthened, and if we go to the volume area, you can see volume is getting lowered every day. Few days back it was around 3 million to 4 million. Now from this week it has got down to 1 million. RSI is showing a little strength, but I am not convinced that it will break this resistance area. Okay, let's move to 1 week chart. According to 1 week chart, RSI is above 60 and the volume is getting lowered every day. So if market remains this much volatile to weak level, I will find a shorting opportunity in this stock for around 100 rupees only. Obviously BAJFINSERVE's future I will short, but that depends on the Nifty or Bank Nifty's situation, obviously, and the world situation. Okay, you have any suggestions, please comment and share our channel if you like the content. Thank you.